In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Miro board as an image. Whether you're looking to save your brainstorming session, share it with your team, or simply archive your work, exporting your Miro board is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in and walk through it together. First, open your Miro board. To do this, simply log into your Miro account and then access the specific board that you want to export. Once you're there, you'll want to look towards the top left corner of your screen. This is where the tools and options for managing your board are located. It's a prime spot where you'll find all the essentials for customizing your board experience. Next, you need to locate and click on the export icon. This icon represents your portal to getting your board out of Miro and into a more shareable format. Sometimes this step might require a keen eye, as the icon could be nestled among other similar options. But once found, it opens up a range of possibilities for exporting your board content. Upon clicking the export icon, you'll be presented with several options. These include exporting the board as an image, a PDF, or other formats depending on your needs. The key here is to select the format that best suits how you intend to use the exported board. For the purposes of this guide, let's focus on exporting as an image. Once you've decided on the format, a dialog box will appear. This box acts as your control center for exporting. You can move it around within your screen for convenience, ensuring it doesn't obstruct your view of the board or other options. Adjust this box as needed until you're comfortable with its placement. Now, let's focus on choosing the image option. Selecting this will allow you to export your board visually, which is ideal for presentations and quick sharing. After making your selection, the final step is to hit the Export button. This action will save your board as an image file. Depending on the size and content of your board, this process might take a moment, but rest assured, it's on its way to being downloaded to your device. And there you have it. Your Miro board is now ready as an image file, conveniently saved to your device for use in reports, presentations, or any other way you see fit. This method is not only a great way to preserve your work, but also serves as a handy tutorial each time you need to export your boards. I hope this guide made the process clearer and easier for you. Thanks for watching.